Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to access Microsoft Office apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint for free. Press Command plus spacebar to open Spotlight Search and type Chrome. Select your account. You can see a search bar. Type office.com and hit enter. This is the official Microsoft 365 website. Once it loads, click on Sign In button. If you don't have a Microsoft account yet, don't worry, just click on the Create One. Now enter the email address you want to use and you get a verification code in your email. Next, select your country and enter the date of birth. Then click Next to continue. Enter your first name and last name. It's quick and easy. You will likely see a quick puzzle to prove you are not a robot. Just follow the instruction on the screen. Usually it's just pressing a button to verify. Now you can see a pop-up window, just click OK. Microsoft takes security seriously. Using your phone or computer password, you might be asked to set up a passkey using your phone or computer password. Just follow the instruction to verify your identity. Enter your screen lock PIN code for the selected device. This keeps your account safe. Now close this all pop-up window. Here we are this is the Microsoft 365 dashboard. On the left sidebar you will see all the apps available to you for free. Here you can see apps, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Let's try Microsoft Word. Then select Create Blank Document. As you can see, it opens up a fully functional Word document right in your browser. You can type and edit just like the desktop version. Try Excel. Click the app launcher, select Excel, and open a blank workbook. Just like that. You have access to spreadsheets for free. And that's it. That is how you create a free account and start using Microsoft 365 on the web. Guys, one more important thing. This features doesn't work on Safari browser. This works at Chrome. If you don't know how to install Chrome on your Mac, watch this video.